Well, hello everyone. Back to you again from Cabo, St. Lucas. So, the sunrise that you see in the morning, it comes from that direction. This is the view from our balcony. You can basically, again, see the arch over there. What we would like to start with today is just to show you our run into town yesterday. We went down to Walmart, and just to show you it's so easy just to hop on a bus. It's so cheap. So really, why rent a car, especially if you're just kind of hanging around town? And then what we'll do is we're heading out today to make up for an anniversary dinner that we didn't have earlier this year, the last time we were in Cabo. So it's a beautiful restaurant, and we'll fill you a little bit more into that when we actually get out. In the meantime, if there's anything in particular relative to Cabo St. Lucas, either RVing or touristy, if you have any questions you'd like us to look into and provide some information, let us know. We'll do the research and we will post a video. In the meantime, enjoy this run down to Walmart. That's about 70 cents US, 90 cents Canadian to take the bus. Why rent a car? So that was a short, I don't know, 5-10 minute bus ride from where we're at. We like this place where we're at because it's quiet. It's outside the main hustle and bustle of downtown Cabo. So we just took the bus. We're heading to Walmart. We did Costco when we first got here, so we still need some things that we couldn't get at Costco.
They go all out for Christmas. We're gonna check this out. Santa's coming.